Hi all, today we will discuss about Java 8 programming, real-time tricky programming interview question. So the first question is Java 8 program to find the frequency of each characters in given string. So how we will write the Java 8 program where we have to find the frequency of each characters. So they will give some strings and based on that string given string we need to find the frequency of the each characters by using Java 8. So this is the procedure which we have to follow. So there will be some five procedures will be there. Like first we have to import necessary classes and package which is required. So this is the program. Here we have imported like Java util scanner because we need a given string. So once they will give the strings, then we can use that. So for that we have used util.scanner package. So first we have to import necessary class and package. So stream collectors we need because of this. And the second is we have to read the input string from the users. So once they will give this input string, according to that we have to take the input and then we have to read from there. The second will have a convert the string into the stream characters. So whatever the strings input string they given, for that we need to convert into the stream characters. Once you converted the stream characters, then group the characters using collectors. So we have to use the collectors. For that's why we used a stream collectors import. So group of characters using a collectors to count the frequency of each characters. So by using collectors we will count the frequency of each characters, like how many characters and what is the count for that. And then the last is display the frequency of each characters in the given string. So how we will write the code? So this is the code here. Like first we have to import this scanners and collectors, then we created a class. So character frequency in Java 8, the class name, and this main method. So we have a main method inside this public static void main a string argument. And then this is the step. First create a scanner object for reading the input from the console. So we have a scanner which we have imported here. So we are using a scanner equal to new scanner system.in. So the input we will take. Now we have a SOP. So enter the string. So they will allow me to enter the string. So once you enter the string, so whatever the string has given by this interviewer, you have to enter. So a string, input a string, and then this scanner in next line. Now this scanners will close. Now here we have a Java 8 logic will be there. Converting the input string to a string and counting the frequency of each character. So how we are converting here? So this is the step of line number 30 input. So this is the input is the given string. So input dot caret. Input dot caret, this means convert the string into the int string. So this will be converted from a string to int string. Now input dot characters, then map to object. So while we go for the map to object, this will be convert each int into the string to a characters. So characters, so this is here we are using c lambda char c. And then we have a collectors. So based on the collectors we are collecting grouping by. So this grouping by c lambda c comma collectors dot counting. Even here we are doing group by characters and also we are counting them. So how many characters came by using that, and then we have to count. And then for each, by using for each characters comma frequency, and then SOP we have to print. So in lambda SOP system dot out dot println characters and frequency. So characters, like how many characters, which all are the characters, and what is the frequency of that. That will print each characters and its frequency. So if you run this program here, so suppose if I given the input here as a this one Amarjit Kumar in this. So this input argument I given. Once you run this, if you execute this one, so while we are executing here we will get a output. So see, a is coming three times, m is coming two times, again uh, r is coming two times, t is coming two times, u is coming one time, I is coming one time, j is coming one time, k is coming one time. So if you count here, Amarjit, how many A is there? So A, 1, 2, 3 is there. If you see how many M is there, M is 2 is there. So everything is corrected based on this input string given by this. So this is a Java 8 program. This is a tricky program which one of the interviewer has asked, like Java 8 program to find the frequency of each character. So they given some large characters, and in that we if you write this logic according to that, we will find the frequency of each characters. So how we will find this input, the input string given dot chars, then map to object char c char by using lambda, then we have to collect by using group by collectors dot group by, then we have a for each. So in this for each we have to find the characters and frequency. So how many characters and what all are the frequency for this? Yeah, thank you. If you want, you can take out this questions as a reference, so that if anyone will ask, this will be the logic which we have to implement in that. Yeah, thank you.